Welcome student. Now we will learn about the biochemistry of lipids. The lipids are organic substances which are relatively insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvent such as alcohol, ether. Lipids are potentially related to fatty acid and they are utilized by living cell. The lipids are structurally related to fatty acid, but just a little bit difference. Like polysaccharide, proteins and nucleic acid, lipids are not the polymer. They are esters of fatty acid with glycerol. They are not the polymers. Then classification of lipids. Lipids are broadly classified into three groups: simple lipid, complex lipid, derived and miscellaneous lipid. Then these above 3 to 4 groups again further subdivided into different groups. In next few slides we will discuss each group. First is simple lipids. So simple lipids are a ester of fatty acid with alcohols. So you studied that acid plus alcohol form the esters. That's why simple lipids are esters of fatty acid and alcohol. Fatty acid and alcohol form the ester bond to give simple lipid. In simple lipid, first group is fats and oils, that also called triacyl glycerol. Fats and oils, these are the ester of fatty acid with glycerol. The difference between fats and oil is that only physical difference. Fats are in solid state whereas oil in liquid state. Then next group in simple lipid is waxes. So these are also the esters of fatty acid, but the fatty acid contain long hydrocarbon chain with alcohol other than glycerol. In fats and oils or triacyl glycerols, alcohol is glycerol, but in waxes, alcohol is other than glycerol. These alcohols may be aliphatic or alicyclic, means they be straight chain or cyclic form. In waxes, mostly cetyl alcohol is common. So here C double bond O, OH. This is the carboxylic group and contain hydrocarbon chain. At the end it contain methyl group. Then CH2, CH2, CH2 and here last at the methyl group. So this is the fatty acid containing carboxylic group and long chain of hydrocarbon. At the end it contain methyl group. Then this is the glycerol, CH2OH, CHOH and CH2OH. This OH and this acid, these are the fatty acids containing carboxyl group, and R is stand for this much hydrocarbon chain. Then OH from CH2 and OH from carboxylic fatty acid to form the bond and form the triacyl glycerol. Then in waxes it contains the fatty acid but having long chain of fatty acid along with alcohol, which is straight chain. Here it is representing straight chain alcohol, but it also having long chain. It is not the glycerol. Then again this OH and H is involved in ester bond and form the wax, which having higher hydrocarbon chain. Then next is complex or compound lipids. These complex or compound lipids are also ester of fatty acid with alcohol, but along with that they also contain additional groups such as phosphate group, nitrogenous base, carbohydrate and protein. Complex lipids are further classified into, first is phospholipid. So in addition to alcohol and fatty acid, phospholipid also contain phosphoric acid. They also contain nitrogen base frequently. The phospholipids are of two types. One is glycerophospholipid, means they contain alcohol as a glycerol. Sorry, glycerol as a alcohol. For example, lecithin and cephalin. Then next group is sphingophospholipid. Here sphingosine is used as a alcohol. For example, sphingomyelin. So phospholipid are contain fatty acid and alcohol. Along with that, it also contain phosphoric acid and nitrogenous base. Then phospholipid divided into two groups, glycerophospholipid and sphingophospholipid. In glycerophospholipid, they contain glycerol as a alcohol. In sphingophospholipid, sphingosine as a alcohol. Here we see the first one by one. This is the general structure of glycerophospholipid. This is the structure of glycerin. One carbon is attached with one fatty acid, second carbon is attached with again second fatty acid, and third carbon of glycerol is linked to phosphate group or phosphoric acid, and this phosphoric acid is frequently linked with amino group or nitrogenous base. Okay, here also see the glycerol having 3 carbon. At first and second carbon there is a fatty acid, and at third carbon it contains phosphate group, and sometime here nitrogenous base is attached at the phosphate group. In detail again see here, this is glycerol structure having carbon 1, carbon 2 and carbon 3. At first carbon it contains fatty acid, at second carbon it contains fatty acid, at third carbon it contains phosphate group, and here ethyl group along with nitrogenous. It is called phosphatidyl ethanol amine. Then again at first carbon and second carbon contain fatty acid, then at third carbon phosphoric acid, and then linked with serine. That's why it is called phosphatidyl serine. Similarly phosphatidyl choline, here to the phosphorus choline group is linked. Similarly sphingophospholipid. This is the sphingophospholipid structure at which at second carbon there is fatty acid is linked, and at third carbon phosphoric acid, and then it linked to the other nitrogenous base. Then glycolipid. In glycolipid, alcohol is a sphingosine. Sphingosine acts as a alcohol. Hence, it is also called glycosphingolipid. Along with sphingosine, glycolipid also contain fatty acid, carbohydrate and nitrogenous base. The glycolipid is name given based on because carbohydrate moiety is found in this lipid. In glycolipid, glycerol and phosphates are absent. Normally, in glycolipid, glycerol and phosphate are not present. For example, cerebroside and ganglioside. Now we will explain here. This is the sphingosine alcohol containing hydrocarbon chain of sphingosine, then fatty acid linked to second carbon, and third carbon it linked with the carbohydrate. Again here we see this is the sphingosine, then it is linked to the fatty acid chain and also linked with the carbohydrate. Then lipid again classified as a storage lipid and membrane lipid. Storage lipid also called neutral lipid, and membrane lipid are considered as a polar lipid. Then storage lipid are classified into triacyl glycerol. In triacyl glycerol it contains glycerol and 3 fatty acid linked with the glycerol with ester bond. Then membrane lipid are classified into phospholipid and glycolipid. Then phospholipid again classified into glycerophospholipid containing alcohol glycerol, and sphingophospholipid containing alcohol sphingosine. Then glycerophospholipid having the structure containing glycerol, then 2 fatty acid, at third carbon it contains phosphoric group, and at the 10 phosphoric group it contains nitrogenous base or alcohol. Okay, and then in phospholipid itself it contains sphingophospholipid or sphingolipid. It contains sphingosine as a alcohol, then it linked with fatty acid and contains phosphoric acid and any nitrogenous base. Okay, then sphingolipid also come under glycolipid, in which it contains sphingosine, alcohol, then fatty acid, and contain carbohydrate, maybe monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, or the difference between sphingolipid in phospholipid and glycolipid is that in phospholipids sphingosine contain phosphorus group, but sphingolipid in glycolipid does not contain phosphorus group. Then next is lipoproteins. So lipoproteins are a macromolecular complex of lipid along with protein. The other complex lipid also contains sulfolipids, aminolipid, and lipopolysaccharide. Then next group is derived lipid. The derived lipid are obtained on the hydrolysis of group 1 and group 2 lipid, which possess the characteristics of lipid. Group 1 means simple lipid and group 2 means compound or complex lipid. For example, glycerol and other alcohol, fatty acid, then monoacyl glycerol, diacyl glycerol, lipid soluble vitamin, steroid hormone, hydrocarbon chain, and ketone bodies. This come under the derived lipid. Then miscellaneous lipid. These are the lipids or compound which possess the characteristic of lipids. For example, carotenoids, squalene, hydrocarbons such as pentacosane, terpenes. These come under miscellaneous lipid. Then neutral lipid. The neutral lipid, the lipid which are uncharged, means the lipid don't contain any charge, are referred as a neutral lipid. For example, monoacyl glycerol, diacyl glycerol, triacyl glycerol, cholesterol, and cholesterol ester. So here the structure: glycerol, OH of glycerol involved with fatty acid, OH of fatty acid involved in ester bond to form triacyl glycerol. This triacyl glycerol are neutral lipids. Then